Yes, Umar.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Today my topic to be discussion is point of let's become to become a successful person. To become a successful person, we have to follow some things in our life. Everyone want to become a successful person and above average person. This is most frustrating experience in our life to become a above average person with above average pay but without an above average experience. We have to follow something in our life. We have to follow to change yourself, change ourselves according to the climate. We know that a person does not change their life if they not adopt the climate. If we adopt the climate we are suffering, we have to change yourself. Otherwise, we have got the change. Otherwise, it's not gonna change. I hopeful before this sentence the things goes on changing, but it does not goes on changing if we don't change ourselves. Change yourself. If we want to become a successful person, we have to change yourself according to the climate. According to climate, something is better for us when we get it better. Otherwise, it does not better for us. Life and we know that winter is coming after every pause, but sometimes it's hard and sometimes it's easy. It means if we taken as an easy answer, sometimes if we taken as easy, we have to change yourself. Life and business is like a changing season. We can't change the season, but we can change yourself. We have to follow 4 things in your life to become a successful person. Learn how to handle the winters, and learn how to take advantage from spring. Learn how to take care of our crops in summer, and learn how to reopen the fall without complaint. The last thing I want to tell you to become a successful person in your life, formal education will give you a living, but self education will give you a fortune.
Alright, this is very good. Thank you. So I want to change myself. We want to change ourselves. You want to change yourself. He wants to change himself. She wants to change herself. They want to change themselves. You made a lot of mistakes in that, okay? Yeah, we want to change yourself. You want to change ourselves. So it's we, ourselves, you, yourselves. Right? Thank you. Usman, and then you, please.